Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will review Ravo.com. So if you are interested to know about Ravo.com, stay tuned with us, watch the video till then and you will get the detail of this Ravo.com. So let's check out the details of this store. It is actually an online marketplace that sells variety of products including electronics, kitchen products, gadgets, gardening tools, household products, and kit products. This is the best thing about Ravro. It can fulfill most of your needs. The products are delivered quickly and safely. It is a user-friendly site and engaging. Multiple images are provided of the products from various angles. The description also helps to make the decision. Now let's check out the different details so we can decide either this is legit or a scam store. The name of this website is Ravo.com. It is just 1 month 23 days old, means it was created on 6 May 2021. This is an online portal. The email address which they have mentioned is not matching the domain name, which is not a good sign. Moreover, they have mentioned their shipping policy, their refund policies, that they will refund within 45 days. Moreover, we are unable to find customer reviews either. Even we are unable to find their social media presence. They have mentioned their contact number, but the payment method which they have mentioned is just MasterCard. So let's check out what are the advantages of shopping at Ravo.com. This website is HTTPS secured. Shopping is possible with multiple payment options. The website portal offers a wide range of products. We found Ravo to be very fast. We can view multiple products images and read detailed description. This allows us to better understand the products. The negative point of shopping from Ravo.com is that external or internal sources are not eligible for reviews. A short lifespan of less than 6 months. Websites with high scam index are highly rated. It is not available on any social platform. There are only few currency options available. All products are exempted from requirement of refund and replacement and low trust score of 2%. So still the question is in a mind and we are not clear about this, either this is legal or legitimate or scam. As the date shows that domain is younger than it was when it was created. No social media presence, no contact number, only 2% of trust score index. Brand is not popular. Owner information is not available. The app link for Play Store does not redirect to the app. Play Store does not show the app. Moreover, different payment method, but the trust score is low. Missing information and reviewed reviews are just a few things to make the decision. So as we have discussed in detail that there are no social media icon like Instagram, Twitter and Facebook on the website portal, that can cause weariness for new customer, as well as it make the difficult for businesses to get started. So in our final verdict we can say that, as we all know, there are many scams and frauds that happen on online platform. This domain has poor trust score and high spam score. The domain was recently created. The product cancellation can be charged. So this website is little risky because it does not have reviews. This website is not recommended from our side for shopping.